Hi there folks, it's me again with another enthralling video. This one does not contain the Spectrum at all. It doesn't actually contain that piano either. What it does contain is my laptop. And somewhere on the laptop is a Spectrum icon. So if we click on that, we have a fully functioning Chances Unlimited program. And I think you can see straight away that the graphics are much clearer on the emulator than they are on the other videos I've posted, which is on my television that's almost as old as I am. But yeah, they look okay, don't they? Yeah, I'm very pleased with that. The idea of this didn't occur to me at all, but several people have asked if I could make these files available, and I've done so. They're available for download, and you can find the link in the description, which will tell you where you can get it. Obviously, you will need a Spectrum emulator as well, but if you've got both of those, then you too can lose on this exactly the same as I do. Now, just to show you what it sounds like, you can see the emulator does the voice stuff as well, and the sounds. I've loaded it up with 74 credits by the autoplayer. I claim that it pays 135%, so that should give us a 10 quid return. So we'll see how we get on. I've got lots of people to thank for this actually happening at all. First off, of course, is Chris of Chris217 channel. He's responsible for igniting my interest in these things again after all these years. And now we are off and running. It's very like the original, isn't it? Yes, so not only for the stuff that Chris has on his channel, but the help and encouragement and kindness he's shown me over the last few years. Thank you very much indeed, Chris. None of this would have happened without you. And now moving on to getting it into the laptop. Those of you who've got a Spectrum will have heard of Jonathan Caldwell. He very kindly gave me a lot of advice on how to put these programs from tape into laptops and how to get them to the wider world. Yeah, I wrote to Jonathan about a month or so ago asking quite a number of questions about this, and from my point of view he was kind enough to take a lot of time to reply and give me very good advice, and as a shift worker I appreciate the value of time, so thank you very much indeed, Jonathan. I very much appreciate what you did. We still haven't seen unlimited nudges on this.
hash or focus. It's hash.
It's not very much cache either, is it? I'd also like to thank another Jonathan Needle, who helped me up with the setting up of the Spectaculator emulator, which is the one that this is running on now. Again, Jonathan kindly spent some time helping me with that, so that's very kind. Thank you, Jonathan. And lastly for today, I would like to thank Peter Jones of Spectrum Computing. £30p? Oh. Wow, we got our money back. Yeah, Peter of Spectrum Computing was kind enough to take this file and put together the files for download on the Spectrum Computing site. And that was very kind of him to take the time and trouble to do that. So thank you as well, Peter, I really appreciate it. These cherry owners are very, very generous. And of course they don't work at all on the real thing, it's only super lineup. That'll be coming soon. Well, we had to get the 30p sometime, didn't we? Well, we're marginally over halfway through and marginally over halfway towards 10 quid. Now we've got a line with the feature held. Yeah, I'd have been surprised if it won that gamble. We got another line though. I'm surprised it didn't go up there. There's certainly nothing better for 4. Oh, well, that doesn't happen very often, does it? It'll certainly help one way or another towards our 10 quid.
It's a jackpot.
Excellent. I was thinking this was a bit jackpot light. We're up to £9.70. Usual temp sign in the middle doesn't help. Not that it matters. We're over our tenner, so it's over 135% this particular set of credits. So I obviously lied. Oh, it's still going on. It's done that a couple of times today, isn't it? It's programmed to be generous if you gamble 20 and 30p. Mind you, it was generous when we gambled at £2 earlier, wasn't it? Well, there we have it. Chances Unlimited on the ZX Spectrum, emulated by the Spectaculator emulator. So I'd like to thank once again Chris, Jonathan and Peter. With any break in that chain, this wouldn't have happened. So thank you to all of them, and to Paul P. I hope this was the sort of thing that you had in mind when you mentioned the downloadable files. I do hope anyone who actually does inflict this on themselves enjoys the programme. Do let me know if you do, and if you don't, and also if you find any bugs, and I'll see if I can address anything that comes my way. So thank you once again for watching, and thank you for your time and interest. Bye.